Hello everyone, Jane here. Welcome to our unboxing channel. If it's your first time visiting, please support our channel by clicking the subscribe button and the bell so you're not gonna miss our latest Blackpink unboxing videos. Last November 15, we opened up our entry submission for Blackpink Lightstick version 2. For the past 3 weeks, we received a total of 50 entries from you guys. We also would like to say thank you for joining and sending your submissions despite your busy schedules. You guys are amazing. We love all your mails, the cute ones, the simple ones, and the creative ones. I'm even so confused who to pick. But for this giveaway, we are gonna pick the best essay submission voted by me and Misha. Is it gonna be you? Wow. Stay tuned. know this one. Salamat links.
Salamat links. You've used it when you went to the Philippines?
Yeah, I remember. I know this word. Come a little closer, 'cause you're looking thirsty. I'ma make it better, sip it like a Slurpee. Snow gone chilly, get it free like Willy. In the jeans like Billy, you be popping like a Willy. Even in the sun, you know, keep it icy. You can take a lick, but it's cold to bite me. Bird, frozen, you're the one being chosen. Play the part like Moses, keep it fresh like roses. You look so good, you look so sweet. Looking good enough to beat. Call us with a kiss, so we call me ice cream. Hello everyone, thanks for staying with us until the end of this video. This is Jane and I'm with Misha right now.
What's up, Blinks? Happy to be here. Happy to have all the Blinks in the house.
Okay, so it's finally December 6th and it was a long 3-week wait. And today we are gonna announce the winner of the Blackpink Lightstick 2.
Nice. Let's do this.
We just want to thank you guys for all of your submissions, and we appreciate all your efforts supporting this channel by inviting other Blinks. Again, we just want to thank you Shin Earn Fang, Devianchi and Kita, Stephanie Aguihon, Denise Talyada, Nigel Pasqua, Alzeti Afita, Luis Ona, James Saladenio, Vivian Luansing, Irish Frias, Adrian Cabreros, Saans, Lynn Vidal, Sophie, Oslord, Roje, Ara Diaz, Upi, The Rithika, Dian Lerio, Ellen Jampahilanko, Sharifa, Yoni, Jampahilanko, Arinas Malada, Akanksha Stress, Tha, Angela Degia.
Feb Abol, Rosel Pangamiban,
It's Rosel Panganiban,
Lim Yi Won, Alexia Sale, Tracy Saab, Giselle Cook, Princess Viasio, Hemima Jemima Kabuatan, Angelica Ocampo, Joshua Pimentel,
Angelica Ocampo,
Joshua Pimentel, Gia Feinsan, Beatrice Arian de Guzman, Chris Mercado, Zynelle Kishia, Jenny Kim, Jess Tolentino, Hannah Valmores, Justine Manjares, Emily Zillian, Princess Sumil, Queences Joy Inocente.
Alright, thank you guys for submitting your entries. We just want to let you know, guys, that we read all of your emails one by one, and it was really difficult for us to make a decision because there were so many unique, creative, artsy, and very heartfelt essays. So we narrowed it down to top 3. We're gonna read the top 3 entries and tell you what we like about them.
Let's do it.
Okay, first entry is from Queences Joy Inocente.
What we liked about this is she's very extremely sacrificial for the family, and everything that she makes, she even traveled very far away from the family, so she's not even near them, giving everything, and even wanting to get this light stick. She's even giving it to her sister as well. So this is really just an essay of a big sacrifice, and very heartfelt, and that's why we chose this one. So thank you so much, Queences Joy Inocente, for submitting this essay. This was really wonderful.
You really have a big heart, Queences. Just comment below what you think about this essay from Queences Joy. Alright, let's proceed to the second one. So the second entry is from Zynelle Kishia.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kishia.
That was
That's so sweet
also
letter of you.
Very heartfelt as well. And then there's sacrificialness in there. So that's why you were chosen as one of the 3.
She's a really good friend. It's very rare for people to do that, to sacrifice your own happiness for the sake of others. So thank you, Kishia, for your very sweet letter, and we are hoping to meet you soon.
Kishan, look forward to seeing you.
And our third one is from
Beatrice Arian de Guzman. You want to mention why we chose this?
That was very unique.
Yeah, so this is one of the 3 because of its uniqueness. It's just a work of art.
Yeah, it's a work of art.
And shows lots of talent and sewing the Blackpink theme
Yeah, like in here, it's
not only the words,
Black,
but yes,
Pink, Lightstick.
yes. So the creativity was through the roof.
Yes,
really amazing.
Very
So that's
creative.
why. So that all these top three deserved the Blackpink Lightstick. It really did, all three.
Yeah.
And I wish we designed this to give first, second, and third prizes. But this raffle was just one. We hope to do more than one next time because there's so much talent. There's so much talent.
When our channel will grow.
Yes, there's so much talent, and we wanted to reward more prizes, not just for one winner, but several, because there's lots of talent and heartfeltness like that. So should we announce the winner?
Yes, ready? Who do you think, guys, will win this? Who's your pick? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Ready?
Yeah, so let's go through the three one more time. We have Beatrice, Arian, Guzman, which is the very creative work of art here, tying in the Blackpink theme and the actual name, the Blackpink Lightstick. You definitely deserve, I mean, you know, all three deserve it. This is amazing. That's why you're in the top three. Let's just go to the next one. We have Zynelle Kishia. The sacrificial spirit is there. Just amazing sacrificial spirit.
Very selfless.
Yeah, selfless, and there's just a lot of heart in here, wanting to even give away the Lightstick. So that's, you know, one of the reasons that you're the top three. Just a lot of heart here, a lot of selflessness. So, you know, we chose you. It's amazing. So thank you again. You're top three, and let's go to the last one. Last one is Queences Joy Inocente. Again, similar to the last one, just like amazing sacrifice, amazing selflessness here, amazing heart. So, you know, that's why you're one of the top three. Worked as a maid, went far away, gave everything to your family, and even want to give the Lightstick to your sister, not even for yourself. Again, our first one was the unique artistry, so creative, so amazing. The second one was lots of heart, lots of sacrifice. In the third one also lots of heart, lots of sacrifice. But we can only have one winner, so we did choose. It's gonna be Queences Joy Inocente as the winner. Congratulations, Queences. Your show of incredible heartfeltness and sacrifice for your family, and it just brought us to decide on the Lightstick for you. And we're happy finally that you've actually won. I know that you said that you had not had luck in past raffles, so congratulations. Today is your lucky day. Thank you for your essay, and again, all three deserve the Lightstick and even more, but we can only be able to give one right now, and as our channel grows, we want to increase the gifts to at least first, second, and third prizes. And maybe we'll even have think about a private another little gift for these other two. We don't have something in mind, but we're gonna think about it as well. So don't worry, guys. The runners up, we'll think what we can give, and we'll announce the prize for you as well. But congrats, Queences Joy Inocente. You're the winner, and we hope that you're so excited for your Blackpink Lightstick too.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and do not be disappointed if you didn't win this time. Keep joining, guys. Let's help this channel grow so we can give more giveaways to you guys every week. So thank you so much for tuning in, and this is Jane and
Misha.
Bye-bye.
See you later till the next Blackpink unboxing.
See you later.